So this is our stunning poinsettia tree, and I'm going to show you how to take some cuttings. You can apply this method to pretty well any tree. So here are my cuttings from the tree, and usually what I do is get some long ones. So these were prunings that were growing in the way. I'll get some long straight ones. This one's got a dead flower on it, so we'll pull that off. This one's actually got a live flower on it. We'll pull that off too, just so the cutting has more of a chance to grow instead of putting energy into the flower. So here are my cuttings now. I've tried to get them straight, and they're all about the same length. Just make sure there are no flowers coming or buds like this one here. We'll cut that one off as well. And then what I do is cut the bottoms just on an angle. It just helps them grow better and take root. So here are my cuttings now. As you can see, I've taken pretty well all the leaves off. Just a few at the top, enough to get sunlight, but not to drain the plant of energy. This is a perfect one here. You can see we've got a bit of hardwood at the bottom and softwood at the top. So you can put these into a root hormone if you want to. I often use honey as a root hormone, and then you get a jabbing stick to make a hole. You don't want to push the cutting in there because you'll end up damaging the cutting. So there are all my cuttings in the pot. I usually put them around the edge. They seem to get warmer around the edge. I think it's when the sun hits the side of the pot, it helps the roots grow. And then you can either cover that to protect it if it's cold and frosty, or you can just leave it in the warm sun. Depending on what time of year it is, you might want to put it in the shade too so they don't dry out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that really helps us. But also don't forget to water the plants before you leave them. And then it's waiting, see how many take. But because these are cuttings, these will turn into the exact same plant that we took the cuttings from, which is a tree like that. Fantastic to be able to do that for free.